Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we will be discussing Internet Computer and its token ICP. We'll be analyzing the machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis, accumulation strategies, and estimated bull run target. Also, ICP on its Bitcoin pair. Over the last key performance periods, ICP did rally a lot. Has been making a series of higher highs and higher lows on its USD pair. If you look at ICP, it's ranked number 26th by market cap ranking, price above $15, market cap above 7 billion, out of which 370 million is in volume, 24 hourly volume. In terms of tokenomics, this particular crypto has about 526 million tokens in total supply. Circulating supply is at almost 85% of that, at around 475 million. In terms of price versus market cap growth analysis, this is the price chart or the last 1 year market cap chart, essentially same as the price chart. That means the growth in market cap is getting reflected back in price. Apologies for that. In terms of the machine learning based price forecast for ICP, this is again, none of the content is financial advice. We'll start with the machine learning based price forecast and slowly go to the technical analysis based forecast. The model trained on weekly price action for ICP, again, this had a horrible launch in 2021 during the blow off top phase of May, and then essentially it was down only till about October 2023. Since October 2023, this particular crypto has been making series of higher highs and higher, potentially higher lows, and now potentially a higher high from the March 2024 rally of about $18 at a weekly level. Right now, price at around $15. The machine learning based model says that in a non euphoria case for ICP, that is at one standard deviation standard bull market scenario for ICP, not the blow off top kind of scenario between now and May, is between $17 and about $64. And in the euphoria case, again, there is a lot of room to run, but again, we are not quite there yet. In terms of bear market pullback, between $7 and about $13 for ICP. In terms of the technical analysis based target, the Fibonacci levels of key interest, again, I have ignored the May all time high during the launch. Let's start after September again, because there was a lot of manipulation in this time period, especially for ICP. If you were following the news cycle related to FTX, related to ICP and FTX related news, let's assume that the top that ICP achieved in September was the only piece of evidence that we can have at this point in time, to conduct analysis upon. Per that $88 peak in September, the current Fibonacci based rally would at around $23 would be close to the 0.23 fib levels. The likely, if let's say ICP does not make a new all time high or new market cycle high from this $88 level, the likely scenario, price forecasted scenario in that environment would be between $55 and $70, corresponding to 0.618 and 786 fib level. If on the other hand ICP does make a new high, again ignoring these May to price action between May to September, from the September 2021 perspective, the 1.618 or a conservative target for ICP in that bull case is at around $141. The moderate target is at around $227, and the lofty target around $300. And I'll explain how this could pan out. Again, this is USD pair. On its Bitcoin pair, even if ICP were to make make a rally towards its 2024 high at around January 2024, that point is still about 134% away from the current ICP BTC valuation. And let's say if Bitcoin goes to about 200k and then ICP makes that run to its BTC high at around 134%, so it would be currently BTC is at around 100k, and estimating BTC reaching 200k, that would add a multiplier of about 2x on this 134%, so that would be at around 268%. So 268% increase in the price of ICP would put again in 2.6 into 15. That is a very conservative estimate. That would be at around $39. The previous high for ICP on its USD pair was at about $21. So even if ICP does not make a new high against BTC, the prices in the same BTC valuation as it achieved in early 2024 would be at around $39. If on the other hand ICP does make a new high again, not higher than the previous high, again just keeping the September 2021 move as a reference, and from that let's assume ICP makes a move to this 0.618 fib level, that is at around 586% away from the current valuation, and again having a 2x multiplier on that one would be 5 point in terms of percentages it would be at around this 5.8, roughly speaking that 5.8 times of the current price. Again actually 100% gain would be 6x, but in terms of the price growth, that would be 5.8 times into 2 and into current price of 15. That gives us an ICP price at around $174 on its USD pair, and $174 ICP would be between 1.618 and 2.618 fib levels if that kind of forecast were to pan out. Again that's a lot of mathematics. If we would like to simplify this, we can look at it from a estimated bull case for ICP based on our risk reward based approach. Again this is a conservative model, looks at the regression risk for ICP, time weighted average price, and SMA based risk. Weighted risk at around 38%, a bull run target in a conservative estimate coming in at around $39 from here. That is about a 2.5x in terms of the gain. In terms of some of the popular narratives in the market, again this peak valley based evaluation of market says that the bull market is about 50% completed. Still again most of the rallies for altcoins happen above this 60% threshold, historically speaking, that is in April 2021 or even in the later half of 2021, between August 2021 till about early January 2022. So we are several risk levels away from that position. In terms of the ROI analysis over here, we can check for 2024 how Bitcoin is doing, and apart from Bitcoin, again if there are any comparisons between BTC and ICP for 2024, again ICP is this green line, BTC is this yellow line. Again there is a correlation, but again ICP is lagging behind BTC. BTC is up by about 126%, ICP is up by about 18%. But again if you look at the last halving year, again ICP was not around for the entirety of the halving year, post halving year of 2021. So this would be the first time. But if you look at Bitcoin in 2021, and let's say if we compare that with ETH in 2021, you would see that our lower market cap cryptos such as ETH outpaced Bitcoin in the last so this is 2020. In 2021 this is 2021 ETH, and this is 2021 Bitcoin. So even though Bitcoin had a decent 2021 up by about 62% during the yearly close, ETH was up by about 400%. So again, and if you compare Sol with that analysis, again you can see that now the rallies of ETH and BTC are barely visible based on what Sol did at one point in time, up by about 13,000%. And this is what usually happens in post halving year. Again we don't have that much evidence for ICP, but like historically speaking that has happened. And again if ICP rallies let's say twice as what Bitcoin rallied in 2021, that would still be at around 160% from the yearly close for ICP. And with this, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.